Welcome to Home Health Soft. Once logged in, start by updating your company profile. Navigate to Administration and Menu, then click Company Profile. Update company name, address, and contact details. Keeping this information current ensures accurate documentation and communication. Then click on the Settings tab to update your company's settings. Step 2. Update My Profile. Navigate and click your profile photo, then click on Profile. Here, you can update your settings, your credentials, your service cities, and more. Step 3. Let's add your clinicians. Go to Users in Menu and click Add New User. Fill in the required details such as their login email, name, user role, and discipline. Once the user is created, you can also upload their credentials in their Credentials tab for easy access and compliance tracking. Step 4. Let's move on to Payroll. In Menu, click Payroll, and look for the Payroll Rates tab and add or edit payroll rates accordingly. Last step is to create agencies to start collaborating with them. Under Administration and Menu, click Agencies, Add Agency button. Add the required fields and submit. Then add billing rates for your agencies. Click Billing in Menu, then navigate to Billing Rates tab. Add or edit billing rates appropriately. And that's it! Your Home Health Soft setup is complete. If you need help or have any questions, please submit a heat ticket under the main menu. Our support team is always here for you. Thanks for choosing Home Health Soft.